Now, your topic for today is, should masks be made compulsory?
Yes, ma'am.
On our face and mouth. Mask is very necessary nowadays, especially nowadays with COVID. And not only COVID, but also mask protect us from pollution. And everyone should be wear mask. And
Yes, next. Include all the 5 Ws and 1 H and conclude. Yes.
Mask is an object normally on the face that lead or for protection disease, performance or entertainment. Masks have been used since antiquity for wars.
Now you tell me, why is mask necessary today?
Mask is protecting nose and mouth.
Yeah. So what are the dangers if we will not wear masks? What are the dangers involved? If anybody can answer, let it be a GD. Yeah.
Need of mask to prevent the viral infection.
Can be easily spread in the
So what are the benefits of masks? Anybody who's online, please speak.
I'm Karan Solna, sir.
Mask is something like protect your mouth and nose and this. We should we should always cover mouth, cover mouth and nose in public and if you cover your if you cover with a mask, then you the virus of transmission
You'll be protected against diseases, isn't it?
yes, transmission is low.
So what do you say about people who are not wearing masks in public places? So what do you have to say to that?
we can suggest them your mask will protect us and also we have to.
So you have to educate people. So many people are not wearing masks today, but that it should be made necessary because you are not only protecting yourself, you are also protecting others. Like mask is a shield, mask is a protection. Yes, next.
Masks are a simple barrier to help prevent your respect. It prevents objects from reaching others. Studies show that masks with the spray of droplet when worn over the nose. We should wear a mask.
Yes, next.
A mask is an object normally worn on the face, typically for protection, disguise, performance. People also wear masks to hide their face. It protects us from viral dusty environment and viruses.
Who should wear masks?
All everyone.
Okay, what is your message to the world about masks? What message you want to give?
Should mask anytime.
Everyone should have to wear a mask whenever he goes outside their homes.
So your message is like whoever goes out of the house, make sure that you wear a mask, isn't it? Yes, next.
And save lives. The use of a mask alone is not sufficient to provide an acute level of protection against COVID-19.
Any kind of pollution, any kind of disease, because a lot of viruses are there. People who are suffering from cough and cold, flu, isn't it? Yes, next. Yes, hello. Next. I said next.
Mask is a piece of cloth that we wear on our chest.
Like I see that you are wearing masks. You will be able to tell me better, like these people are not without masks. So you should be giving us a message. Why is mask necessary?
To protect our health.
we should use mask whenever we go in public place, no matter whether there is COVID or not.
Mask is necessary all the time.
That you can say that mask is not only necessary, it is very necessary.
Yes, it
There
should
is
be,
not need
it
of
should be
compulsory.
made compulsory. This was the question which was given to students of BCA, BSc IT, AKU and PPU. This time in their Wipro online test, they had to write 150 words. Should mask be made compulsory? So even you guys start writing something, start typing. Otherwise, you're going to be in hot soup. Supposing you are given this to in a GD, what will you do? All these topics which I'm going to give you, these topics will be, has been given by Wipro. So they have to write subjective, writing essays. Will you be able to do it? Just remember the 5 W's and 1 H. Any topic, like marks is only a number. The other topic which was given was marks. Marks से कुछ नहीं होता. Marks बस एक number है. Do you agree to that?
Yes.
Marks is only a number. Supposing somebody is very intelligent, but at that point of time, maybe he had some problems in his fingers and he was not able to write. Then he did not get good marks. So marks is only a number. You cannot judge the person by the marks. These topics, please write something on it. Similarly, marks, what, why, when, how. Advantages of getting good marks. You feel very good. Disadvantages. You feel demotivated. You feel demoralized. You feel shaken. Right? You try to, the topics which I'm going to give you for speeches and for writing also. About this mask, please, because Wipro has a set of topics which they have been giving all the time. The advantages and disadvantages of social media. Your chance will be coming maybe after 6 months or so. Start your preparation from now only.
Only after 6 months.
Start speaking. Yes.
1 year.
Practice typing. Practice speaking. Personal interview, HR round. Maths, reasoning, English, parts of speech. Here. Objective round, maths, English, reasoning. Then you have subjective. If you clear your objective, then you will clear your subjective. Many people do not clear their objective. So they are not allowed subjective. Many people cannot clear the subjective because they could not type, they could not write anything. So if you clear your objective, then you will clear your subjective. And if you clear your subjective, then will come the PI round, the technical round. Like, tell me something about yourself, about your hobbies, about your interest, about your subject, about your academics. Then will be your HR round. So life is not easy. And do not sit back. अभी तो बहुत समय है, मैं कर लूँगा. Time flies. So once a week, like every Friday, there has got to be some activity like this. Otherwise, what will happen? And see, they are coming again and again. I met some people today who are giving their online tests. Whether you are a BBA students or BBM or BC or BSc IT. Online test, math, English, reasoning has got to be there. Aptitude है, maths है, reasoning है. The fun is that you start right now. Let us start this. At least Fridays has got to be activity. Either you come up with a speech topic, you tell me, and we ठीक है. तो आप बताइए, suggest a topic so that you are comfortable with. ठीक है, आप बता रहे social media advantages and disadvantages. Come prepared. Today is Friday. Next Friday के लिए come prepared. ठीक है, तो next class में ले लेंगे, Monday को दे देंगे आपको. अच्छा, आपका वर्कशॉप शुरू हो रहा है ना?
होम टाउन में दे दीजिए.